If you're a small business owner with less than 50 full-time employees, you're not legally required to provide health insurance. However, if you choose to do so anyway, you may want to look into SHOP. Hi there, my name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to discuss your health insurance options. If this is your first time to our channel, welcome. We do release these videos on a weekly basis, so please make sure to subscribe and of course like this video so we can get this information out there. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message, and you can always give us a call at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. We're licensed nationwide and there's no charge for our services. And as always, you can find us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and here on YouTube. All right, so today we're going to talk about SHOP. SHOP stands for Small Business Health Options Programs. And if you're a small business owner with less than 50 full-time employees, this may be an option for you. Employers with more than 50 full-time employees are required legally to provide health insurance. If you have less than 50 full-time employees, you may wish to do so anyway. A recent study indicated that 56% of U.S. adults with employer-sponsored group health insurance benefits said that whether or not they like their health coverage is a key factor in deciding to stay at their current job. And 46% said that health insurance was either the deciding factor or a positive influence in choosing their current job. So if you wish to attract and retain top talent, you may want to offer health insurance benefits even if you're not legally required to do so. There are also tax benefits, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. Different states can have different criteria for eligibility. Today we're going to be focusing on the states that participate in healthcare.gov. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more, check out healthcare.gov or your state's individual marketplace. If you're unsure whether your state uses an individual marketplace or healthcare.gov, healthcare.gov will redirect you. In order to be eligible, you must have between 1 and 50 full-time employees, and at least one of these full-time employees cannot be the business owner or partner or spouse of the business owner or partner. Additionally, at least 70% of the full-time employees must elect to take part in this program. Like I said, the criteria can be slightly different dependent upon your state, so make sure to check out your state's individual requirements. So let's take a look at healthcare.gov to look at the full-time employee calculator and the tax credit calculator. So this is healthcare.gov's page dedicated to SHOP. I'm going to put the link to this exact page in the description below. So if you just scroll down here to where it says count your FTEs, which again is full-time employees. Here's some more information about the full-time employee calculator as well as additional information. You're going to go to the SHOP FTE calculator. And here's where you'd calculate exactly how many full-time employees you have or full-time equivalent employees you'd have to see if you qualify for SHOP. So let's say here that we actually have no full-time employees, but we have part-time employees. And let's say that our part-time employees work 25 hours per week. Okay, so we're going to say that we have 3 part-time employees, and then employee number 1 works 25 hours a week, employee number 2 works 25 hours a week, and employee number 3 works 25 hours a week. We have 2 full-time equivalent employees, so we would qualify for the program. Now let's go ahead and clear this form. Now, of course, if you were to enter any number greater than 1, but less than 50 full-time employees, if you enter 20, then you have 20 full-time employees, and therefore you're going to qualify for the program. Now let's go back. Over here is the tax credit estimator, which you'd need more information regarding your payroll taxes, so we're not going to get into that today. But if you want to learn more about the small business healthcare tax credit, here's a very helpful PDF, which is going to give you a brief overview. So you may be eligible for this tax credit if you have fewer than 25 full-time equivalent employees, which is what we were just calculating, and an average employee salary of $56,000 per year or less. You also need to contribute to at least 50% of the employee-only premium costs. And you have to have employees enrolled in coverage through SHOP. Usually it's 70% that we're talking about in order to be eligible for SHOP in general. And then there are different states that have additional deductions as well. So if you scroll down, you'll see Alabama, Arizona, Georgia, Kansas, and Oklahoma. If you liked today's video, please make sure to click like, give us a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date because we do release these videos on a weekly basis. Now, as I said earlier, if you have any questions whatsoever about your health insurance, if you'd like to share your experiences, or if there's anything you feel like we left out of this video, please make sure to send us a note in the comments, and you can always give us a call at 888-410-0344. There is absolutely no charge for our services, and we are more than happy to help. And as always, make sure to check us out not only on YouTube, but TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and of course, Facebook. We'll see you next time.